Hello everyone, I'm Shashank. In this video, we are going to talk about beginning of new type of filmmaking. And it came to be along with an in-depth explanation behind the use of this particular technique. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all notification about the film editing technique. So what is montage in films? Montage is a film editing technique in which a series of shots are compiled for a meaningful narration. How to make a montage? For understanding how to make a montage, we have to understand different type of montages and why do they fall in different category. So there are in total 5 different types of montages. The first one is metric montage. In metric montage, we take specific number of shots or frames and place them next to each other. The selection of footages should be in a manner to establish a specific idea, location, character, etc. Now let's understand it with an example and proceed with it on editing table. Suppose we have to establish a beauty brand. For that, what we require? Now we have collected few footages and compiled them into one single montage. I hope this metric montage is clear to you. Let's proceed it with the next one, which is rhythmic montage. In rhythmic montage, we create a visual pattern or try to give it a complete sense. In simpler word, we can say that rhythmic montage are summaries of happening or a process of any event. Let's try to understand it with an example.
कोई बच्चों का भी कुछ भविष्य बनाना है, 2 ईंटें भी लगानी है, कुछ मकान भी लेना है, किसी का लेना भी है, देना में गांव में 2 रुपए लेते हैं, देते हैं, उनका ब्याज भी भरते हैं। अच्छा जी, तो ये मेहनत मजदूरी है हमारी करना।
The third one is tonal montage. In tonal montage, we try to pull the emotional connection out of a scene. Most of the time we use reaction shots after any dialogue or after any activity. Let's understand it with an example. The fourth one is overtonal montage. If you have understood the above 3, then this one is going to be very easy for you. Overtonal montage is an interplay between metric, rhythmic and tonal montage. Assume that in one of your sequence, you have already established the metric, rhythmic and the tonal montage. The blend of all 3 will be able to grab the attention of the viewer with a much stronger emotional impact. The last one is intellectual montage, which is very powerful one. It is difficult to achieve while writing or planning, but very easy to understand. In simple terms, we can say that when we show our story with the use of metaphor, then we can call it a intellectual montage. Here the audience has to apply their intellect. That's why we call it intellectual montage. I think it's clear to you how to make montages or why is a montage used in film. It really depends on you and what you want to achieve visually. According to that, you can select the kind of montage that you want to make. Now let's come on writing, how to write montage in scripts. Irrespective of what type of montage you want to make, for writing any montage, you just have to type montage in caps. Then press the enter button and start writing the action lines. Every event in one line. That's it. I hope you have learned something good and useful today. So like and share this video. If you have any doubt, then comment below. I will definitely try to reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we are coming up with 25 tutorials on film editing. If you have missed out the previous videos of this series, then check now in the description.